Hey guys, so I have a question for you. Are you looking for fall decor that is not only cheap but can also be used October, November, all the way into winter? I have tips and tricks for you on how to create cute fall decor on a budget, and I will also be showing you my fall decor throughout the video. So tip number 1 is use what you have. Candles, lights, trays, platters, anything that I already have on hand. Tip number 2, go outside and find fall items that are free, such as pine cones. Why buy pine cones or acorns when you can find them outside already? I took my kids on a nature walk as part of school, and I had them collect these items, and then we used them in the fall decor. Tip number 3, let your children help. They like to decorate the little platters and things around the home. Tip number 4, instead of using pumpkins only outside, use them indoors too. Tip number 5, decorate throughout your house. So I have decorations on every floor of my home in different areas such as the bathroom, the living room, my bedroom, etc. And tip number 6, use children's art. So we did art projects for school and we used those in our decor. Tip number 7, go to the Target dollar spot to get decor, or go after Halloween when they set everything on sale and you'll get a cheaper price that way. As I mentioned, we did a nature walk and also we made fall decor during school, and I will link that video below if you're interested. I am going to show you the decor around the house that I have not shown you, and I hope you enjoy the video. As always, thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye.